Annyeonghaseyo, hello everyone, it is me, Lama Sasha, and in this video I will be reviewing the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and other Maybelline products within the line. And I did try my best. Not every product was Maybelline, but for the most part it was. And also, I'm not sponsored, so your girl's not getting any type of commission, nothing. So it's all good. And yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy me failing and watching this video. Thank you so much, and comment down below what you guys think. Alright, thanks, bye! For the primer, I'm just going to go in with Hard Candy Sheer Envy Primer, which is shine free. So now that I am nice and primed, I'm just going to go in with a Maybelline concealer stick in the number 30. I know a lot of people do the concealer after they do their foundation, but I think it's better for me to do it now because I think it is just easier for me, and I think it will give me a lot more fuller coverage. I did use this liquid concealer years ago and it did make my skin burn. I did buy it off Amazon. I did not buy it in store, so I'm hoping that it will not have any effect. The only difference between now and then is that I do have primer on my face, and also I look like a clown, but that's okay. It might have just been the fact that I bought it online. Maybe it being in the sun or anything like that could have made it toxic, but yes, I hope I will not burn. And I do have a dry beauty blender. I would usually make it wet, but I don't really feel like messing with it. I'm just going to put a little bit more just in the deeper area. I'm going to put a little bit up here, a little bit down my nose bridge, a little bit on my chin, and just a little bit above my cupid's bow. And not that you look all crazy, time to blend it out. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of the concealer and put it on top of my eyelid. My upper and lower eyelids are kind of darker. I know, you know, it's kind of possibly a normal thing, but I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that concealer that I'm putting underneath my eye onto there, just to help it so that my makeup will blend a little bit better. And I think it actually looks really nice. I'm not sure the reason why the old concealer was making me burn. It most likely was because of the fact that I did buy it online, and possibly between transit, it being in hot sun, could honestly be the reason why. So be careful. And if you do have sensitive skin, my skin is sensitive. It's not overly sensitive, but it is sensitive. Just be careful, and you might be in better luck if you buy it from the store. I am not a beauty guru. I have no knowledge in makeup whatsoever, so your girl's just winging it and trying to find a makeup shade that actually will match me. So yes, take everything I'm saying with a little bit more of a grain of salt than you usually would, is what I'm trying to say. Your girl's not professional, but we trying to come for that brand. I'm not trying to come for anyone's brand. I'm just trying to find the right shade that will work for me and hopefully help out other people who have similar skin tones to me. I'm actually going to go with the Fit Me Matte Poreless, and I did buy a slightly different one from what my foundation is. The store did not have the exact same one, so this one is slightly different. It says normal to oily, so I'm not sure if that's going to cause a problem, but yes, I will be going in with this to just set a little bit of the concealer and try to make it so that it will stay in place longer. This is my first time doing this, by the way, so hopefully I do good. I know a lot of people like to bake underneath their face, you know, if you're a seasonal baker and everything. I personally have never done it myself, but I'm going to use this because I did not get the right shade with the finishing powder. I did not get the right shade, so I'm just going to use this. So I'm actually going to take a angled beauty blender, and it is not wet at all. It is dry and it is by Real Technique. You can find Real Technique. I'm not sponsored by them. You can find Real Technique anywhere. I'm not sponsored by them, so yeah, you can find them at your local drugstore, anywhere you want to. Amazon, not sponsored by anyone. So I'm just going to take a bit, that is quite a bit, and I'm going to put it underneath my eye just to set it and help out with. That is pretty tan, but we're going to ignore that, and we're just gonna try and, like, you know, set our face a little bit, because I have never contoured or baked underneath my face, nothing like that. So this is the closest we're gonna get. And also, watching beauty gurus, they make this look a lot easier than it is, and I'm sorry, I'm not one of them. Now that looks nice. And you covered up all your pores and your slight blemishes and everything. I'm just going to tape this all around my face just to do a little bit more of the setting because I'm sweating and this lighting is making me sweat a lot. So for the foundation, I'm just going to go in with the shade 315, which is called Soft Honey, and it says due to smooth. So we're gonna go for the dewy look. Apparently it says normal to dry and this says normal to oily, so they're both different. The store didn't have the exact same. I don't know what my skin type is. I don't know if I'm oily. I think I have combination skin where I have different types. So yes, I'm just going to try and do this. And I'm just going to lightly swatch it. Oh, that's a lot. So that's what it looks like. So I have some foundation on the back of my hand. Usually I would do foundation with a damp beauty blender, but for today's sake, I'm just going to go in with an e.l.f. brush, and it's just a foundation brush. I don't know what type it is or anything. So I'm hoping that it'll be good full coverage. And the reason why I'm using a brush is because I do not want the beauty blender to soak up everything, which I don't think it would, but you never know. I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit down the neck because I don't want it to be basically not blending at all because I hate that look. And I am really trying my best to make sure that it is blended out completely and that I have full coverage. And I feel like that's fairly nice. I feel like it's fairly even. I feel like it's light. It doesn't feel heavy duty, but it definitely feels like it's there. Definitely going to go in with a very little bit of concealer, and these lights are not helping with the heat in here, so I am very dewy because I'm sweating. I think I might go back in with a little bit of the matte poreless just to set it in all over my face just a little bit more. So I am actually going to style my brows. I know some of you are like, what style? You don't have any style. I know this, okay? Don't come for me in the comments, but don't call me out. I'm just going to style my brows. I didn't see any type of Maybelline style brow anything. Maybe I did, but your girl doesn't have those type of brows. So I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows. They're not supposed to be twins. They're supposed to be sisters. Hi, sisters! Or long distance cousins. I don't know. I'm just trying to set them in place. When your girl messes up more and more. And I'm just going to try and do my brows good again. Okay, whatever, we're just going to work with it. I'm gonna try and contour with a like foundation stick, and it is in the shade 330. Who wants to focus? Hello? So it is definitely darker, so I'm just going to try and sculpt a little bit. This was my first time trying to contour in my life. I don't really know how people do this. I never watched one of these videos, but just gonna go off of what I've seen people do. I don't know if this is working, but I'm gonna try, okay? Try everything at least once. Yeah. Can you see if that contour is working? First timer over here. Okay, whatever. I don't care if it's working or not because I can't really see. So for the eyes, I do have the Nudes palette by Maybelline New York, and it just says the nudes. So it does come with a small little applicator, but we're not going to be using that. So for the eyes, I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and it's from like No Company's, Amazon. Okay, so for the eyes, I might bring you guys in a little bit more. For my eye look, I'm just going to try and show you guys as best as I can. I do have a slightly more hooded or more fatty eye, I guess you could call it. So for the base, I'm going to go in with this color. That one. And there's a slight bit of fallout. It's not bad. It's actually a darker color than I thought. I thought it was going to be more of a nudie color. More of a nude. So for the next color, I'm going to go in with this one. because the first color I used did not give me the exact color I wanted, so I'm just going to wash this all over. I'm going to go in with this color, outer part. I know I do not have an idea of what I'm trying to do. I'm just going to wing it. Let's go in with this dark color. I'm just going to bring it into the crease. So I'm going to clean up this look a little bit because I don't want to look like a raccoon, so yeah. So I'm going to go in with this color for the very center. So that's how the eye looks from a distance. I feel like it's nice. Next, I am going to just do my lashes really quick. So next I'm just going to go in with a Fit Me blush, and this is number 50 and it is called Wine. So they were trying to tell me on their website that I should get the color Peach, I believe it was called, but I like darker colors. I feel like they look really nice, and also they're just so radiant and they're so beautiful. I'm gonna try and dust it off a bit. I put a little bit too much. And I feel like it's a fairly nice color. For the highlight, my favorite part, if you want to look like a burnt cookie like from my last video, you could look like even more of a burnt cookie, I think. I don't know. For the highlight, I did get the Master Chrome in the shade 100, and they did not have this one in store. They only had it online, and I saw it, and I saw a few people review it on Amazon, and I was like, yes, I need this in my life right now. Make me look like a burnt cookie. Make me into a burnt cookie. I want it. So I got it, and I will try it out. And this is how it swatches. It's honestly really soft. It's a gorgeous color. The reason why I got this one, because they had like 3 or 4 different ones. I got this one because this one seems like it works with all skin tones, which made me really happy. I'm not 100% sure. Don't take my word for it. No style fallout from what I can tell. Oh my gosh. My brush is a little bit damp, accidentally, and I'm just going to dab it on. And then I'm just going to sweep it, gently sweep it. That is a gorgeous glow. I really think I like this. I like love how gorgeous this is. Now that I see how beautiful this color is, I'm actually gonna pop this into the inner tear duct of my eye because I want the same glow. I'm gonna put some lower eyeliner, and this is not Maybelline at all. It's the only eyeliner that actually I like. It's time for the lips. I am going to use a little bit of a different lip. I am going to go in with the L'Oreal. I know it's not Maybelline, but I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Berry Matte Pink in 705. And I'm going to just put that on my lip. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. I'm going to go in with the Vivid Matte Liquid by Maybelline, and it is in the shade 40 and is called Berry Burst. So I'm just going to swatch this really quick for you guys. It's a really nice color. And the reason why I did put the L'Oreal lip underneath is because I feel like this one, I have tried it. I tried it yesterday. Not exactly a fan of it. I think it's a little bit too pinky for my liking. And I think it looks good together. So this is what the finished look looks like. I feel like it looks fairly good. I can't exactly determine how it will look until I'm done editing, and I mean, I can't really tell. Maybe I put a little bit too much product, I'm not sure. I still messed up quite a bit. I do apologize. I'll try to get better, I promise. So I do have the setting spray and I'm going to try this one out, and it is by the company Flower, I believe. I'm not sure. Maybe that's online. I thought it was by Maybelline, so I bought it. I'm sorry if you guys can hear thunder and lightning. I'm sorry, I can't help it. My state is like raining. So yeah, it is called Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. Okay, so I lightly got my face, and I think that's good enough. So yes, so that is how it looks, and I feel like it is a fairly good look. Let me know down below what you guys also think. So this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my other bits of social media, and please comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see, and please turn on that little bell so you guys get notified anytime I do anything. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. As always, sun on hey, sun on hail. Bye! But I am not a makeup technician. Nothing. I have no... So the very next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the concealer foundation. Why does it focus on my face? Thank you. Hello, I am back. You know, so. Stop it. Sorry. I never claimed to be a professional on makeup. Like I said, ignore this eye. This eye is the problem child, okay? It's like the stepchild you did not sign up for. When you got married, that's what this eye is. When you have that badass little stepchild, that's what this eye is. It does not want to work with you at all, boo-boo, but we'll make it through, right? That's what couples do. I don't know. Kinky.